A resolution following the death of a Santa Clara County inmate with mental illness, 9 years in the making. Former jail guards Matthew Ferris, Rafael Rodriguez, and Jara Lubrin back in court Tuesday, openly admitting their involvement in the deadly beating of Michael Tyree in his jail cell.
They pled guilty to voluntary manslaughter, to beating and killing Michael Tyree with conscious disregard for his life, conscious disregard for human life. Today was a victory for the vulnerable and the voiceless.
The men agreed to a plea deal to serve a maximum sentence of 11 years for their involvement in the fatal beating. This comes after a state appellate court overturned their murder convictions in 2022 because it could not be fully proven which defendant actually killed Tyree. Instead of retrying the case, Santa Clara County District Attorney Jeff Rosen's office accepted the deal with a major condition.
It was important for us to have them admit in court that they beat Michael Tyree to death or aided and abetted the beating of him to death, and that they did that with conscious disregard for Michael Tyree's life and for human life, because if they're accepting responsibility for what they did, then we wanted them to accept responsibility.
Tyree's family attorney Paula Kenny says this still doesn't take away the pain of Tyree's death. Santa Clara County has since adopted reforms to make sure mentally ill inmates are better taken care of so something like this never happens again. But Kenny says more still needs to be done to take care of the mentally ill.
Mental illness is not a criminal justice problem. It is a public health problem. And until we reconcile that and address it as such, we're going to continue to have tragedies like this.
The 3 former guards will be in court next on October 22nd to determine how much of the remaining sentence they will serve. In Santa Clara County, Dustin Dorsey, ABC 7 News.